Hi. In today's video, we'll discuss how to fix Spectrum Not Tunable. Watch the video until the end to learn more. The Spectrum Not Tunable error is a common issue caused by a myriad of underlying reasons. These may range from package upgrades and total package changes to parental controls entailing missing channels. The good news is that reboots and resets clear the issue. To reboot your Spectrum cable TV box, unplug the box from the main supply for about a minute before repowering. While the box is disconnected from its power supply, analyze its coaxial and HDMI cable connections and check if they're properly done. Allow the cable box time to boot fully after repowering. To reset the Spectrum cable TV box, go to spectrum.net on a web browser and sign in to your Spectrum account. Navigate to Services, select TV, and then choose your equipment. On the Equipment page, click Experiencing Issues and select Reset Equipment on the resultant interface. This reset can also be done from the app by following the same procedure starting from the Services tab. So that's it. Fixing Spectrum Not Tunable is that easy. Thanks for watching till next time.